Hello everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Gemma. Today we'll be reading Old MacDonald Had a Truck by Steve Goetz, illustrated by Eda Kaban. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had an excavator, E-I-E-I-O. With a dig here and a dig there, here a dig, there a dig, everywhere a dig. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a front loader. With a scoop here and a scoop there, here a scoop, there a scoop, everywhere a scoop. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a bulldozer. With a push here and a push there, here a push, there a push, everywhere a push. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a motor grader. With a scrape rake here and a rake scrape there, here a scrape, there a rake, everywhere a scrape rake. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dump truck. With a dump truck here and a dump drum here, here a dump, there a drum, everywhere a dump. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a steamroller. With a squish smash here and a squish smash there, here a squish, there a smash, everywhere a squish smash. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cement mixer. With a spin twirl here and a spin twirl there, here a spin, there twirl, everywhere a spin twirl. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a truck. Ooh. E-I-E-I-O. The end. Thanks for tuning in to Storytime with Gemma. See you next time.